What's up guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Sq11 Mini. Now this is one of the smallest cameras I've seen on the market right now for only $12, and it records in full HD. So let's put it on the bench and see what kind of footage this bad boy can get. Alright guys, so here it is on the bench, the smallest camera I believe that I've ever seen in my life. So let's take a look inside and see what we've got. So the first thing we have is the camera itself. Wow, this thing is tiny. I wouldn't say it's more than an inch. It also comes with a little bit of clips so you can put on your dashboard and stuff we don't really need. And also comes with a charger and I don't know what this is called. This is what you plug into your TV, I guess. I don't know. You don't really need this wire though. It comes with the instructions manual with English that was written by probably a kindergartner.
Boom. Roasted.
So let's take a look at some of the specs of it. So here we are with the specs. Video format's AVI, which is normal. It does 1280 by 720, which is Ultra HD, which is actually really good. But what I'm worried about is the 30 frames per second. An action cam usually has 60 frames per second, so I'm not sure if this is going to be ideal for the drone or the car that we're going to be putting it on. Image proportions 4:3, but what's weird is on the manual it says 16:9, so that's another worrying point for me. Battery capacity is 200 milliamps, so it lasts about an hour and a half, which is pretty good. And it doesn't come with a card, but then again, just go get one of those.
So guys, as y'all can see, I took it out for a few test spins so y'all could see some of the flight footage, and honestly, it's awesome. I mean, I'm not sponsored or anything like this, but for $12, I mean, that's like pocket change, to be honest. You can get quality, or not quality, decent at least, recording off of your drone or car. And what's even better is if you order a bunch of these, you can put them everywhere and just leave them sitting there. And then they can record some of your hops and things like that. And if you lose it, no biggie. It's only $12. I mean, the SD card probably costs more than the camera itself, which is great. Now, I was flying on my Eachine Wizard X220, so, I mean, yeah, it is kind of a newer drone, but that shouldn't affect any of the flight footage. And as you can see, I'm doing a little dive there, but it looks amazing. I couldn't have asked for anything better. The colors, all of the greens, grays, oranges pop out. This is the footage. I have not edited or anything like that. This is the actual footage itself. And the only issues that I see with this, but of course it's only $12, is because you see some of this waviness going on. If you look at the path right there, you saw like some sort of waviness path. It's, I don't know what it is. It could be from the vibrations from my ESCs or what, but I'm not really sure about that one. I think that is part of the issue with the frame rate conflict I was worried about earlier, the 30 frames per second versus the 60. And when I'm moving so fast, it can't capture it, and when it blends it together, it doesn't look right. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But then again, guys, it's $12. I mean, honestly, just look at it. I would recommend this to a lot of the newbies, that you could use this for black box if you don't have that already installed in your flight controller. You can use this to record some jumps or anything, really. I mean, I think this also has some sort of motion detection as well if you want to use it for that. I'm not really sure what, but other than that, I mean, this camera is awesome for the price. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch the rest of this video, and I'm gonna be quiet. Y'all can see my Trump socks there, but I just want to thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content from Flawless Flips.